Have you ever tried to withdraw your funds from Kraken only to find them locked behind a 72-hour hold you didn't see coming? When I first started using Kraken, I thought I knew what I was doing, but I quickly realized that this platform has specific quirks that can be incredibly frustrating if you aren't prepared. After spending hundreds of hours on the interface, I've seen the same handful of mistakes trip up almost every new user. Here are the top mistakes you need to avoid to keep your experience smooth and your assets safe. 1. Falling for the instant buy fee trap. The biggest mistake beginners make is using the big, friendly buy button on the main dashboard. It's convenient, but you're paying for that convenience with a massive fee, usually around 1.5% plus a spread. I learned the hard way that you should almost always use Kraken Pro. It's the same account and the same login, but the fees drop to around 0.16% to 0.26%. If you're buying $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you're looking at a $15 fee on the standard app versus about $2 on Pro. Switch to the Pro interface immediately, your wallet will thank you. 2. Ignoring the 72-hour withdrawal hold. This catches everyone off guard. If it's your first time depositing USD, Euro, or CAD via certain methods, like a debit card or ACH, Kraken places a 72-hour security hold on those funds. I remember trying to buy Solana to send to my Phantom wallet for a quick trade, only to realize I couldn't move my coins off the exchange for 3 days. If you have a time-sensitive transfer, plan ahead. This hold is mandatory for new accounts and certain funding methods to prevent fraud, and support cannot lift it for you. 3. Using the wrong network for deposits. Kraken supports multiple networks for assets like USDT or USDC, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, etc. A common mistake is sending an asset over a network Kraken doesn't support for that specific coin. I always tell people, never assume. Always click deposit, select your coin, and look at the network drop-down. If you send USDC via Arbitrum but Kraken only supports Ethereum for your account level or region, those funds could be lost forever. Always do a small test transaction first. It costs a few cents in gas, but it saves you from losing your entire stack. 4. Overlooking the master key and 2FA setup. Most users set up a basic password and maybe assign in 2FA, then stop there. But Kraken offers a master key and separate 2FA for funding. Early on, I didn't realize that if someone gets into your account, they can change your withdrawal address and drain you instantly. By enabling funding 2FA, you require a separate code just to move money out. It's an extra layer of armor that most people ignore until it's too late. Also, avoid SMS 2FA at all costs. Use an app like Authy or a physical YubiKey. 5. Confusing XBT with BTC. This is a small but confusing one. On Kraken, Bitcoin is often listed as XBT, not BTC. This is the international ISO standard for non-national currencies, but for a new user, it can look like a scam or a different coin entirely. Don't panic, XBT is Bitcoin. Just make sure you're looking for the right ticker when you're setting your limit orders. 6. Not using the Global Settings Lock, GSL. If you're a long-term holder, the GSL is your best friend. It's a feature that freezes your account settings. Once it's on, no one, not even you, can change a withdrawal address or disable 2FA without waiting for a preset countdown, like 3 or 7 days. It is the ultimate defense against a compromised account, yet almost no new users have it turned on. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.